pretty cold outside. To find the coldness, what are you gonna do?
To battle this cold weather, we're gonna make Tom Yum Goong. There are many variations of this soup, but we'll show you one simple way of making it. Let's get started. Let me scoop for you.
Thank
Okay,
you.
yeah, no problem. How many shrimp do you want? I'll give you one. Just she does not play. She does not play. Terry puts so much kaffir lime leaves, and I really like that.
This is very romantic.
Let's do it. Mmm, it's so good.
It's gonna be a big bite. Spicy.
There's a lot of variations for Tom Yum Goong. This one is really nice.
Oh.
Alright, if you guys like the Tom Yum video, please give us a thumbs up and subscribe.
Yep, check out our Instagram page and our Facebook page for more yummy recipes.
Exactly.
Alright guys, until next time.
See you then. Bye.
Bye.